This is the low season at Suvarnabhumi Airport. Welcome to Thailand. Good morning guys, good morning from Suvarnabhumi Airport. Today I'm going to update you about the latest entry regulations to Thailand and answer all of your questions concerning the new Thailand digital arrival card that you have to apply starting from May 1. But first of all, let's find a quiet place in order to start the vlog, because I'm gonna show you step by step, and surely it will save you a lot of time and effort if you are coming to Thailand starting May 1. So last week I have mentioned in my vlog that you have to apply for Thailand digital arrival card starting from May 1, which was TM6 before, and there were lots of questions. Today I'm going to answer all of them, and of course I'm gonna show you step by step how to apply, because there are some problems and issues in it. I wish they can solve it before May 1. Now the first question, who should apply for Thailand digital arrival card? Everyone guys. If you are not Thai and you are coming to Thailand by land, by sea, by any kind of transportation from overseas, then you have to apply for it. Now we are still in April, and if you are arriving to Thailand before May 1, you don't have to apply for it. But if you are arriving starting from May 1, then definitely you have to apply for it, because it's already online and they say that you have to apply it at least before 3 days. So that's it, before 72 hours. As you can see, the website is already online. Now let's check it step by step and see if it's easy or it's complicated. So you have here arrival card and update arrival card. First you have to press on arrival card, and then you have 3 steps. Personal informations, let's say my name is whatever, and later you have to put the middle name. If you don't have middle name, no problem. Nationality, here you have first name, passport number, and here you have your nationality. Let's say I'm just putting some information so that we can proceed to the next page. Australian, date of birth 1990, month 09, date 19, occupation graphic designer. All right, anything. So you have female, male, or undefined. That's new. And visa number. You see the visa number here is not mandatory. Lots of people ask me, if we don't have visa, what we have to put the number. Most of the people, they arrive to Thailand, they have visa exemption, no need for visa number. So you keep empty, but just in case you have a visa from an embassy or a consulate, then you have to put the number. Many people ask me what phone number they should put, because you are coming to Thailand, you don't have a Thai phone number. You put your own phone number in your own country. But if you have already a Thai number, just like me, you can put also your Thai phone number. So that's no problem. In the first page, we don't have any problem. And the last part is state of residence. Let's say Sydney. And that's it. After all this, you press continue, and now you are in page 2. In page 2, you have to put the date of your arrival. Let's say we are arriving, we have to arrive after May so that we can apply for this form. 2025, January, February, March, April, May, 5th, 5, 12. The second part is to put the country that you are boarding from. Let's say Dubai. Now, this is a question. Why you are coming to Thailand? The purpose of your travel? Well, tourism, right? Holiday, whatsoever. Then you have to put if you are coming by air, by land, or sea. By air, mode of transport, commercial flights, flight number, I don't know, A234, departure date, when you are departing from your own country. So we said we are arriving at 12 So we are departing 2025. All the information that I'm putting is not right. 05, let's say 11. And now again, mode of travel. So lots of questions again and again and again. After that, commercial flight, flight number A321. Okay, all right, now this is the first part of the second page. The second page have two parts. As you can see, the second part, it says, I am a transit passenger, I don't stay in Thailand. It doesn't mean that you are coming to Thailand, you have a connection flight. It means that you are coming to Thailand, you don't live in Thailand. The first thing you have to put is the type of the accommodation. Let's say hotel. You have other options, hostel, guest, friend's house, apartment, no problem. Now, the question is, if you are staying in multiple places, put the first one later, no problem. But you have to put first where you are staying. The first hotel, the first apartment, no worries. After that, you have to change it, no problem. The second part is province, Bangkok. Once you put any letter, they will give you an options and you can choose district area, let's say Ratchathewi, and after that sub-district, let's say Makassar. As I said, no problem. Just put a letter if you don't know and check which one where you are going to stay, the hotel or anything. If you are staying in a hotel, check the address and you can find all this information. Postal code. After that, you have postal code and it is automatically. Let's say we are staying in a hotel called Naza Hotel, Ratchathewi, and that's it. Press continue. Now the third page. And the third part is health declaration. I have lots of questions about it and many people said that you have to put your vaccine numbers and so on. It's not like that. Let me explain to you. It says passengers traveling and entering Thailand have to be vaccinated with the vaccines approved by Thailand or by the World Health Organization. All these things are just informations. Now, this is the important part. Please list the name of the countries where you stayed within the 2 weeks before arrival. So if you have stayed in countries that they need vaccinations, like the yellow fever and so on, then you have to mention it, and after that they will ask you to put your vaccination number. Just in case you haven't stayed any place, put your country and no problem, preview, and that's it. So you don't have to put your vaccination number or anything. This is for the people who are coming from countries that they need yellow fever or whatsoever vaccination. Now after that, let's say I put just Thailand and press preview. Now the final step is to press preview and check all the information. Here all the informations are wrong. We were trying only to show you how to apply, but you have to check it, double check it guys. After that you have to put your email. I have read and accepted the conditions and later submit. Alright guys, that was step by step telling you from Suvarnabhumi Airport how to apply for Thailand digital arrival card. But of course you are not going to apply it at Suvarnabhumi Airport. You have to apply it before 3 days of your arrival to the airport. Now I'm gonna tell you what are the positive and negative points of this card, but before that I have to do something. Sawadee krap. Our song.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
You too. That was super delicious and I really need it. Let us start with the positive points of this Thailand digital arrival card. First of all, when you arrive to Thailand, it will be very fast to pass the immigration because the immigration already have all the informations about you, where are you coming from, where you are going to stay, and why you are coming to Thailand. That's it. Faster, once you arrive, no questions, no complications, just get your stamp and welcome to Thailand. The second positive points, of course, to control all these illegal things that are happening because of the 60 days visa and moreover the rentals, the condo rentals, the hotels that I've talked about it before in my previous vlogs. That's another positive point. These two things, I'm okay with it. But what about the negative points? I think this is a problem for the people, maybe for the old people who don't use tablets, cell phones or whatsoever in order to apply for Thailand digital arrival card. As you know, before it was a paper, you have to write it, everyone can write, and now it's digital. You have to open a laptop, a cell phone, and then get connected to the internet in order to apply. So that's it. I think this is kind of little bit annoying for the people who don't use internet or any kind of phones, tablets, whatever it is. Let's say you are coming to Thailand and you forget to apply for Thailand digital arrival card. So what happens once you arrive to Thailand? You cannot enter Thailand. I think there will be a solution. Maybe you can do it the old ways, to write everything and stand in front of the immigration. Lots of questions, why you didn't apply, and so on, till you get past and enjoy Thailand. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and hopefully I have answered all of your questions according to this card. And what can we do? These are the rules, you have to apply for it. Don't forget it, starting from May 1. And welcome to Thailand. Thank you for watching, stay tuned and subscribe for more from Live Love Thailand.